Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Happy New Year's to everybody.
Yes.
Happy New Year. Today is January 1st, and so this video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to do it today, and then we're going to go back into the past and then come on forward. But I'm going to show you how the clean yard turned into something like this with our little fireworks show that we had last night. And yeah, we just woke up. I'm tired.
Excuse tired faces, we're exhausted.
Yeah,
so.
we were up to like 5 in the morning, and it's 6 in the morning. So yeah, guys, thank you to all our subscribers. Again, we appreciate it. We got to 100 subscribers, and thank you guys so much. And yeah, just watch this video. So see y'all. Oh, sorry. All right, so right now we're at Buc-ee's, and Victoria's inside, and I don't want to go inside because I have Samson with me, and plus I'm still working a little bit, but it's crazy. I mean, check this out. There's a lot of people here. If you're from Texas, you're familiar with Buc-ee's and how crazy it can get. Yeah, so we still want to do a video with this gas station, but not right now. It's too crazy, y'all. I mean, it's just, there's over, I guess, so there's 50, there's over 200 pumps in this gas station, and they're all full. Okay, so while I'm here working, I'm here with Samson. We're waiting, we're still here, been here for about 30 minutes already. And while I'm here working, we're waiting for Victoria, and she's inside Buc-ee's right now, and she said it's just crazy in there. And yeah, she's just calling. She's like, I'm ready to get out of here. And so, I mean, this is just insane. Yeah, hopefully we can get her in here so she can start driving, so we can just take off and we can go under road. All right, scratch that. I gotta go in there, kind of help her out some. Yeah, check this out. So Victoria finally came back. How was it?
Oh my god, crazy. Don't like my new hairstyle, guys?
So we're on the road again, and we'll be, I don't know if we're going to be stopping anytime soon. I think we're just going to head straight to where we got to go, because we're an hour behind schedule.
So, yeah, just wanting to know what you guys we're going to spend New Year's with the family. What are your guys' plans for the new year? What are some of your goals?
Well, this will be coming out after New Year, so what did y'all do for New Year?
Yes, technically. Drop down in the comments below what some of your guys' goals are, your New Year's resolutions, if you have any. Some things that you would like to achieve for 2022, if you don't mind dropping some of those down in the comment section below, so we can just kind of read, and it'd be pretty interesting to see your goals and stuff. And so,
sorry, I'm not trying to take her. I'm just working right now.
Yeah, in case you're wondering why he looks like he works at a telephone company.
Yeah, this is my desk job too. So.
He's working while driving, so we've been taking turns driving, and this is what we have on the lap. So we have like all these, it's like we have a whole setup here in the car. So yeah.
All right, we made it to San Antonio. This dog started getting romantic. We woke up as soon as we got in. I'm gonna go meet up some friends. Victoria's gonna hang out with her family. I'm gonna introduce y'all to somebody that's been helping us out with this channel. A little bit on the background where nobody's But there are fireworks stands in almost every mile of this part of town. I am gonna go to a fireworks stand tonight, and I'm gonna show y'all some fireworks stuff.
Why are you yelling?
I'm excited.
Oh.
I like fireworks. Whatever. Wait, that's Victoria's face. No, wait, no, she's driving crazy. Anyways, look, okay, bye. All right, y'all, so we're here.
Fireworks stand.
My boy Alex. This guy's been helping us with the YouTube channel.
Heck yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Get it to 1,000 now. Since you got 100 already, we can get you 1,000 views. 1,000 views per video, 1,000 followers by the end of 2022.
Yeah.
Calling it.
We get 1,000 followers, I give him $1,000.
Y'all better subscribe. We're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make it happen.
But yeah, we just saw some little fireworks. We'll show you this little deal, but
yeah.
Yeah. So, all right. He's out to Cali. I'm going home.
Adios.
Later.
1, 2, y 1, 2, 3 y... Bueno, sí. Camina. Rico, rico, rico. Y como dice mi coro que sigue ahí. Escucha mi salsa buena, abre la ventana. Escucha. Ahora estamos gozando hasta la mañana. Salsa buena, abre la ventana. Ahora estamos gozando hasta la mañana. Melodía, melodía. Escucha mi salsa buena, abre la ventana. Ay, escucha mi salsa ahora. Ahora estamos gozando para bailar, para gozar. Qué rico está. Escucha mi salsa buena. Ay, yo te traigo la salsa buena, es la verdad. Ahora estamos gozando hasta la mañana. Bueno, mira, escucha ahora. Si escucha mi salsa ahora, mi salsa para bailar. Este ritmo tan sabroso, el ritmo para guarachar. Yo te canto con sentimiento y manana te lo voy a dar. Muévese con sabrosura, abre la ventana para respirar. Escucha mi salsa buena, abre la ventana. Yo te traigo la salsa buena. Estamos gozando hasta la mañana. Ahí nada más que rico está. Escucha mi salsa buena, si yo te traigo mi salsa ahora. Estamos gozando ahí nada más hasta la mañana. Bueno, escucha de nuevo, mira. Los tambores se están arrollando, la banda está en candela ya, todo el mundo está bailando. Ven, ven, mi gente, vamos a gozar. Muévense con mi ritmo, un paso para adelante y un paso para atrás. Muévense con sabrosura, abre la ventana para respirar. Sí, escucha la salsa que te traigo ahora. Estamos gozando. Ahí a Nueva York, a La Habana, donde quiera. Sí, yo te traigo la salsa buena para bailar. Estamos gozando. Ahora sí, allá se fue melodía.
All right. Anthony here. Real quick, as I'm editing this video, I'm noticing that it's gonna look a little bit weird just of what's going on. And I have to tell you the backstory of what we do. As a family, every New Year's we buy a buttload of fireworks and we just pop them for New Year's, and we have like a huge show. And so this year, it's not different. We did the same thing. So I hope you guys enjoy the show. I had to cut it because it was getting a little bit too long, so I just got like the best parts. But yeah, that's what we did. We just, it is what you will see. It is what it does look like in real life. So we do like a little fireworks show for the whole neighborhood. So yeah, enjoy the fireworks show, guys. 3, 2, 1, Happy New Year!